welcome to my channel. So today we'll be discussing Leetcode's daily problem. So today's problem is reverse words in a string. So we are given a string with words and spaces, and what we have to do is we have to take each word and we have to reverse the characters in that word. So after performing the operation, what we'll get is for each word we'll be reversing that word, okay? And yeah, so for example, for let's take Leetcode contest, it will be, yeah, you can see the output. How can we approach this problem? One way we can see it is if we are getting a space or we are at the end of the string, then what we are doing, the previous word before the end of the string or the space is getting reversed. So while traversing from 0 to the size of the string, we will check if we are getting a space. So if you are getting a space, then the word before it will reverse it. So how will it get the word before the space? So for that we can maintain a temporary variable which will store the previous word. So let's write the code. Okay, so for int I equals to 0, I is less than s dot size, I plus plus. Okay, now what I'm saying that, first of all, let's take the temporary variable string temp. This is a temporary variable. Now what we'll have that if we are having a space, s of I equals to space, then what we are doing, we are reversing the temporary variable. Now temporary variable reversal. Okay, so we'll reverse the temporary variable. Okay, and also in the answer string we'll also have string answer. In the answer string we will add this temporary variable. So temporary variable plus we'll have a space, plus the space, right? Now if it is not a space, what we'll do, in the else part we will go and we will have this temporary variable plus equals to str of I, right? Also in the if part, what we'll do, we will have this temporary variable. Now after reversing the temporary variable, we will have temporary variable set to null again. Also we have seen the case for the space, but what if the size, we have reached the end of the string? For that case we'll go out of this for loop, and after this for loop our temporary variable will have this word contest. So once again we will reverse the temporary variable and then we will add the temporary variable to our answer. That's it. That's the code. Now you'll be having one doubt, why we're not adding the space in here? Okay, so because this is the last word in the string, we won't add the space. Okay, and one more thing, what will be the reverse function? So in reverse function is nothing but we'll take the word temp and we'll just reverse the string. Or what else we can do is, instead of writing this reverse temporary variable, we can remove it. Okay, and in here instead of adding like temporary plus equals to string of I, can be written as temporary variable equals to temp plus string of I. Now instead of adding temporary before string of I, if we do temporary equals to str of I plus temp, what will get? So for I equals to 0 we'll get L. Okay, in the next time we'll check s of I equals to space. No, it's not a space, we are having s of I equals to E. So E will come and it will add before temp, so we will have E here, and then we'll get, for I equals to 2 we'll get T. Okay, T is a space? No, it's not a space. We'll go inside the else and temp will become T, right? Then for this apostrophe same, for the S same, right? And now we'll have this space. So for space, what we are going to do is our answer variable will now have s/t/el. okay, and then plus the space, right? And then now temporary is again a temporary was earlier this thing, and now it will be changed to the space, right? For the last word, what will be there in the temporary? You all can guess. For the last, in the temp will have TSECTNOC, right? And when I will be equals to s dot size will come out of this for loop and will come in here. And after the for loop will come in the reverse. Okay, again we won't be doing reverse because already a string is reversed, temporary string is reversed. So we'll simply add it with the answer and we'll get the answer. Thank you.